launch for winter in Dublin. Experience the vibrant night market, live music, street performances, cooking demos, arts and culture, and so much more. All on Central Plaza, College Green.
Microdosing after she found out she was suffering from gallstones. And
What about a baby, huh? What might is another?
20,000.
Oh, they fucking guess that these cunts.
Oh.
Oh, red, a bastard. Look what's coming towards us. Are they going to jump it?
Oh, don't fuck me! Jesus Christ, the neck, that fucking bastard!
Huh?
That was crazy. Hey, so what the fuck are you doing? Fucking hell.
It's bright and open, impeccably designed, all whites and soft browns. You can see the Pacific Ocean from her big living room window. There's no sign of the hippie kid I once knew. Purple pants,
Jesus
purple glasses,
fucking Christ!
braces.
Jesus fucking Christ!
I notice everything's in a jar and everything's labeled. She still likes her labels.
Fucking stupid, like.
Framed photographs line the walls, pictures of her parents.
It's the one and only D.R.E. You know I'm mobbing with the D.O.G. Straight off the killer streets of CPT. King of the beach, you ride to him in your fleet. What? The field pulling on dubs. How you feel? Whoop, what? Train Snoop hitting colors in the lag. With Doc in the back sipping on yak. Clipping all the amps, stripping through hood.
Manhattan.ie. is the story of a kidnapped Santa Claus from the hands of protocol security.
Webtree. It wouldn't be Webtree.
Christmas. You would think stars like Dwayne The Rock Johnson, Chris Evans, and Lucy
Moron.
Fuck me. This guy just decided, nah, I'm going that way. Arse hole. He kind of went round the roundabout and still went that way.
Look at this one, speed up. Speed up. This cannot be for real. Look at this. Look at this. What the fuck, man? You wonder watch they don't fly off. No way.
What's that hanging on?
It's a bump by look.
Wood flap. Wood flap.
I've seen it all. I have seen it all now.
But that's only tied on one bar. It's
I know, yeah.
Well, it's on the other bars, but it's not actually.